Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, and on the right, the ATTOP Drone. Let's see which one soars to new heights, and which one crashes and burns. Spoiler alert, no drones were harmed in the making of this video. Yet. Let's kick things off with the price. The DEERC D20 Mini comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone will set you back $109. So if you're on a budget and still want to feel like a futuristic tech wizard, DEERC's got your back. But hey, if you have some extra cash lying around, maybe ATTOP's got some tricks up its propeller. Next up, camera quality. DEERC D20 Mini has a 720p HD camera. It's like that friend who insists they're a photographer because they have a smartphone. Meanwhile, ATTOP drone boasts a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV. It's the friend who actually knows what aperture means. If you're serious about capturing those epic aerial shots, ATTOP's your guy. But if you're just looking to take some fun pics, DEERC will do the job. Battery life is crucial, unless you enjoy your drone dropping out of the sky like a stone. DEERC offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad, but ATTOP one-ups it with 3 batteries for a total of 30 minutes. That's right, folks. ATTOP's got more stamina than a marathon runner on caffeine. More time in the sky means more time to impress or annoy your neighbors. Now let's talk features. DEERC gives you 3D flips, waypoints, voice control, and gesture selfies. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But wait, ATTOP isn't just sitting there twiddling its propellers. It's got route drawing, voice control, gesture selfies, and a 360 degrees flip. Plus, it even has AG sensor for VR glasses. It's basically the James Bond of drones, if James Bond had a thing for aerial photography. Ease of use is essential, especially if you don't want to spend your weekend tangled in drone manuals. DEERC has one key start, landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it. ATTOP, on the other hand, adds one key return and headless mode to the mix. It's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. So if you're a beginner, both drones are pretty user-friendly. But ATTOP might just make you feel like a pro. Finally, let's talk about portability and extras. DEERC is compact and kid-friendly, but doesn't come with a carrying case. ATTOP, however, folds up and comes with a nifty carrying case. It's like the difference between stuffing your clothes in a plastic bag versus a sleek suitcase. Plus, ATTOP makes for a perfect gift. So if you're looking to impress someone, ATTOP's got the presentation down pat. Summarizing the reviews, DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for being an excellent entry-level drone that is durable and easy to use, making it great for beginners. However, it may struggle in windy conditions. On the other hand, ATTOP drone has mixed reviews. While some users appreciate its good camera quality and durability, others have faced issues with malfunctioning units and poor customer service. The ATTOP drone is recommended for those who want more advanced features, but be cautious of potential quality issues. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a fun, simple drone, the DEERC D20 Mini is a great pick. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for better camera quality, longer flight time, and a bunch of extra features, the ATTOP drone is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong unless you fly it into a tree. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart.